My name is Prakashni. I am an English Level 2 student here at Manukau Institute of Technology. From now up till Friday, we celebrate New Zealand Sign Language Week. Since its inception in 2007, New Zealand Sign Language Week is not just a celebration, but also a powerful symbol of identity and heritage for the deaf community. It is also an avenue to break down barriers, get rid of misconceptions, and cultivate inclusion. By coming together to celebrate this cherished annual tradition, we will not only just spread awareness and learning, but we will also elevate and unite one another through our beautiful language, New Zealand Sign Language.